Welcome, one and all. How you doing, Andrew?
Good afternoon. Welcome back. And we're getting close to the US Open. So before we start, just want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor. Today's show is sponsored by thefivers.com, better funding for traders. Get qualified by a private equity fund and manage up to $4 million. So you can choose your funding journey. So you can start with the one-step program, which is hyper growth, two-step program, which is the high stakes, and the low-cost program, which is the boot camp. So pop over to thefivers.com. Please use our affiliate link for 5% off. And it's a great way to start your prop firm journey. Next to ourselves, it's TradeZella.com, the only tool you need to become profitable. So you've got powerful and automated trade journaling. Yeah, you can analyze your trading stats. You can gain some key insights. You can leverage up to 50 plus reports to monitor your progress. You can ask yourself a question after a week or two: do you have a profitable strategy? So you can go through your win rates, your profit factor, how many trades you actually missed. And you can even take it one step further. You can backtest, replay to help you improve. So pop over to TradeZella.com. Use the discount code SFX25 for a 10% discount. And finally then, it's stxforex.com, the all-in-one complete trading package. Perfectly crafted trading program that meets all the needs of traders. So from Forex, futures, options and more, STS Forex provides mentorship and trading systems to suit every trader. So we got the all-in-one package there with this morning's sponsor. So thanks very much to thefivers.com, TradeZella.com and STSForex.com. So,
Brilliant.
Back. Okay, so we're putting you under the spotlight. So I know you're going to start doing your analysis in 6 minutes. So I'll quickly share what I've been up to, and then we'll jump over to you. So I'm currently in a trade on the futures on the Top Step Practice account. And yeah, we can see we're pushing up quite nicely. I've actually got a profitable stop. So yeah, quite happy with that. And if I go over to... Here we go. We're going to do some screen share window. Here we go. Let's see if I can do this. And yeah, so here we are with our 5% accounts. We're back at the wheel on Forex, and we're a whopping 56 cents in profit so far.
Woohoo!
Yeah, so we're flying along. So yeah, we got a target of $500 to reach to get onto the next stage, where they'll actually double the account size and you actually get a payout from day one on the hypergrowth. So yeah, jump over to the 5percenters.com if you want to get back into Forex. So I've stolen enough of your screen time. Over to you.
Thank you very much, Andrew. Really nice to do these pre-market shows. Last one for 2025. I'm going to try and be as multitasking as possible. So right now we have the US 500, which is the S&P pre-market. We got some news, PCE, which is the Fed's preferred inflation. Right here, about just shy of 1 hour ago, and we seem to be pulling back higher off of the lows. So interesting to see this move. Looking back at how we were on Wednesday, Federal Reserve interest rate decision was right here. And now finally some bottom feeders, I think, getting a bit brave. So in about 4 minutes, I'm going to set up the opening range and see if we can get a trade going live on ear. So right now we're still looking at the pre-market. This is the Asian range. This was the Asian low. This was the pre-market low, and we're just sitting at just off the bottom of the Asian session low here. So what I do next, I'll go over to the SPX. Bitcoin also found a little bit of buyers after that data 1 hour ago. This is the SPX here. So I split it out just so that everybody could see what happened this week. So Monday, we were near all-time highs. Tuesday, a little lower. Wednesday was the Fed news day, and then that's where the drop came. And Wednesday was really where the meat of the move came. Friday, buyers were not able to really do much. And right now we're sitting at exactly 58.32. So 58.32, we're somewhere around here where we're going to open up today. So what I'm going to do is just hide these. I'm not as good at as well versed as you with this, Andrew. So I will admit that. But let's see what happens. Last show of the year. Might as well have some fun, right? Okay, so today, yeah. You do this all the time. You do this every day. Okay, so let's see the clock. Can we get a clock ticking? So let's put it on. I'm gonna just change the QR code for 1 minute. Can you just remind me to put it back? Okay, I'm gonna change the QR code just for this last final minute here. So we got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, now we have a minute until the open, and of course you can't see it. What happens if we do this? That doesn't help, does it? Okay, yeah. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
We'll see it though. We'll see the price move now for sure.
Yeah. Sure. All right. So I'm gonna zoom in here so we can get exactly where the SPX opens. And my son has just walked in.
Hello.
Okay. Daddy's on live right now.
When are we going?
I'll come to you in 1 minute, okay?
Are we going to football?
In about 30 minutes, okay?
Okay.
All right.
So yeah, on today's show, we're going to football later, but yeah, let's see if we can get that move. So.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm back. I'm back in the seat. So we should see the opening range. Should see the price open up. Whoa, down there. I was a little too high. That's the opening 1 minute candle. So we'll go in. Let's see. Also today is quad witching, where we get expirations of 3 or 4 different types of assets. So we could see some unpredictable moves today. So far, the first candle of the day is looking red. And we'll wait and see how it closes. The gap is not that big. So the low, pre-market low was down here at 58.09. And we opened up at around 58.40, 58.42. And the previous close was up here. So the first candle's closed. And we'll put a quick, we call this the pack zone. Yeah, 58.42 even. And then the low is 58.32.20. All right, so that's it. That's the pack zone for the day. We lock it off. And then the only thing we'll do is we'll change the color if we do get a breakout above it and the candles move above it now. This is the 5 minute opening range here. So we'll wait for that. So I'm going to hold off now. Still only 2 minutes, a minute and 53 seconds into the trading day. But this will form the opening range 5 minute high. So let's see. I try my best not to trade the first 5 minutes because it does tend to whip around quite a bit. But I do have a feeling that we're going to move today at some point between now and in the next hour or two. So a lot of it is about being patient. What I'll do for the 5 minute is I'll put the low in, assuming that we don't hit a new low between now and 2:35 p.m. So the low is 58.32 and 30. Okay. So far, so good, Andrew?
Yeah, I'm keeping up with you. So far, so
Okay.
good.
Okay, good. So we locked that one. So this one's going to change. This is a 5-minute opening range. This is a 1-minute opening range. So you can kind of see there's not a huge difference yet. We still have 2 more minutes left, 2 whole minutes left. But we are above the 1-minute opening range, which is good to know. So I would say my scenarios here are very simple. We can close the gap. So previous, which was yesterday's close, up here at 58.67. Alternatively, we can continue the downtrend from Wednesday, move lower as another sort of scenario. And right now I'm indifferent. I'm not picking a side. I'm going to react however the market moves. I'm going to react to however the market moves. So we're above the pack zone. Let's make it green. Sometimes you end up changing the color quite often. This just reminds me that if we're above the pack zone, we want to be looking for potential longs. All right. And then this is the final minute of the first 5 minutes. So first minute, second minute, third minute, fourth minute, and we're in the 5th minute now. So let's see where we close here. We could get a nice little pop higher. We're looking at the previous close as a target to the top side. Sometimes I'll look at other things. I'll have a look at gold. I'll have a look at Bitcoin. Sometimes looking at the NASDAQ is helpful. Now, it looks like we're breaking above the 5-minute range, but remember, the 5-minute range hasn't actually created itself yet. It hasn't, the 5-minute candles have not closed yet. So this will form the high of the first 5 minutes. It's a little bit confusing, I know.
Yeah, no, it's I think it's quite clear what you're doing. Quite like using the pack zone as well on the 1 minute. And yeah, you can see the pack zone working actually. You know, we've broken above that and the price is held.
Yep, the pack zone for me, it gives me that confirmation, like you said. It's a confidence booster. It's almost like an indicator on a smaller time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame, we're above the opening range, and now we've just finished the 5 minutes, so we can move to here. That will give us our high. So we already knew our low was here on the 5 minute, which happens to be the 1 minute low and the 5 minute low together. And then the high would be here. Let's just pop in. I like to try and get it as precise as possible. So it's 58.48.99. 58.48.99. Boom shakalaka. There we go. Shout out to everybody who's kicking it with us today on this Friday, the 20th of December. Okay, now this is where it gets interesting, because now I'm looking for a breakout. We have the opening range high. We have the pack zone high. Right now, we're kind of sitting in between the 5 minute high and the pack zone high. So let's see where we go from here, Andrew. If we do get a breakout, then I'm going to be buying a breakout above here. I think we could get one. Usually, sometimes it won't happen until closer to 3 o'clock. So I'm also always looking at the time of day. We're only 6 minutes in, so there could be some false moves, some back and forth. Let's see what happens. Let me put this up the top. So we're right back at the pack zone high. Let's see if it holds. Be interesting to see if the pack zone can hold. That would be a good sign. So far, so good. And then let's go have a look at the different time frames. So on the 5 minute candle, we're looking fairly strong to start the day. This was a key price that we were tracking over the last few weeks, and it looks like we're holding up above that. And we got a nice little bounce off the pack's high. neat and tidy, neat as you like. And now we're looking at the 5-minute opening range high, pretty much right at it. So I'm about to place a long position, well, a call option on the S&P. That hit off the PAX high was just beautiful. I mean, you can see it better on the 1 minute.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, you can see how well that tool works, right? It's a great strategy from PAX.
Yeah. Now, if you didn't have the PAX high, you wouldn't have seen, you wouldn't have seen the actual connection. So that's why we like to use that PAX level. So right now we're above the 5-minute opening range, which is where I really, really usually want to start looking at getting, start going long basically, and targeting up here towards the previous close. So right now I'm about to jump in now. Here we go. Let's see. It's a little early, but hey, you gotta react when the moves are available. So I'm just about to pull the trigger now. Trying to see if we get a pullback. 1 minute chart's looking good. All right, I am going in now. Okay, I'm in. Okay, so I've gone in with the 58.90 call. 58.90 call is has just been purchased, targeting the previous close. It'd be nice if we can get some follow through here. Nice little follow through on the breakout. So this was the nice and clean opening range breakout here. And let's just let it run. Now, what happens usually is a lot of people are going to try and fight this and short and short and short. And that's what we're kind of working with. We're on the other side of the shorts.
Yeah, beautiful trade. Looks like it's going straight into profit, right?
Yeah. I'm about to get out. I'm about to get out any minute now. Also, I try not to be greedy on these. Let's see. Come on. Almost there. Almost there. Now, what I'll do now is I'll move my stop loss to protect at least half of the profit here. So let's do that. I'm going to move my profit. Sorry, my stop loss to protect the profit. Here we go. It's coming back a bit. So right now the trade is up. We're up about $270, give or take. $270.
Yeah, great trade, great execution, and straight into the profit. Excellent.
Yeah, thank you. Doesn't always go this way. I have to admit, it definitely does not always work like this. But I'm trying to multitask as well, so please bear with me. I don't know how you do this every morning, Andrew, especially with one coffee.
Yeah, I just think I trade better. I think for myself, you're under that pressure of trading live, so you can't be so gung ho. So it definitely helps me with the patience and the mental discipline of correct execution. And yeah, we don't win them all, but I think, from just trading by myself, just get itchy fingers, right? And end up over trading. So yeah, I just find live trading just adds an extra bit of pressure just to make sure you're doing things right.
Yeah, no, I agree. It definitely adds another level, another layer of accountability, I guess you could call it. So right now, if we do drop lower, I'm going to take my profits and run. This is Capital Preservation Friday. We're at that, and let's see if we can hang in here a little longer. If not, Andrew, I'm gonna go. So right now the profits unrealized are $270. $270. If we can actually make it to that previous close, then I'm going to take the profits. I could hit this moving average. This is a 1 minute moving average. Let's have a quick look at the 5 minute. Yeah, that's not looking great. All right, I'm out.
Yeah,
I'd rather take a profit than nothing.
Yeah, great opening trade. We more or less filled that gap, right? It wasn't a hit, but that's great analysis. I think it's a great way to explain it as well. Certainly made things a lot clearer for myself, and I've got this video to look back on. So yeah, fantastic, especially with the pack zone as well on the 1 minute. I think that's what I was missing last time. So yeah, thanks for sharing that. It was really good.
Yeah,
So,
of course.
with myself, I'm gonna let you off the hook now. No more trades. So,
Thank you.
so let me just share my screen. That's what I've been up to today. So this morning's trades both hit the stop. So yeah, sod's law. But you know, paper trading, you can just be a bit gung ho. So I did take a long position on gold earlier, and yeah, we can see where we ended up here. So right, that should be better. So yeah, we took the two trades this morning. Both hit. One hit the profitable stop, and the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar hit the stop loss. But I did take a long position on gold on the trading view account. And on Top Step, we took a trade. Yeah, we've had a reasonable day today, so we can just see here the trades we've taken. So yeah, it's been a good day all in all. Yeah, our last live show before the new year. So I just want to say, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and thanks for your support all these early hours.
It's been fun. It's been a very eventful year. I think our YouTube has grown as well. We have a lot more content and a lot more, sponsorship as well. It's great to have.
So we've done well end of the year. We're growing the daily show organically as well. And the only issue we do have, it's so early in the morning, right? So I understand 6:30 is a little bit too early for some, but I'll just go through what I said earlier. Money doesn't sleep. If you're serious about trading, you need to trade the market conditions. Not the market conditions doesn't work around your sleep schedule, right? So you have to find the time that suits you, and you need to get your ass out of bed, right? If you want to trade.
Yeah, you do. And, you really do.
Yeah, but with yourself, you're so used to Central Time, from Bermuda. This time suits you perfectly. But with myself, I just find that 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. window more profitable for myself. And yeah, what I will do is I'll probably drop some videos over Christmas pre-recorded, just go through some strategy, what we've been up to, and then we'll be back probably on January the 6th or 7th.
Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds like fun. Yeah, I'm looking forward to coming back and hitting the ground running, Andrew. I do want to just show the trade, just so that people can see the exit on the trade as well. I think just being transparent, being able to show, there's a lot of noise, a lot of people out there that they claim to do certain things. So just quickly show the actual trade. This was the exit. I'm just going to show the exit. But we got in this today. You see the time. It was today's date, 20th, and we sold, and this was the profit here. So,
it's great. What, 10 minutes work, right?
Yeah, 10 minutes work. Not bad.
Yeah, I want to my nose up that. So, no, congrats, well done. Yeah,
thank you. One thing that my wife actually says is, if you found that amount on the ground, would you just walk by it and not pick it up?
Fight you for it, mate. Just be honest.
There you go. So there we go. I mean, I didn't break any records. Didn't break any records today. But hey, it's something. It's every little bit helps.
But listen, profit's profit, and it all adds up over the year, right? I think traders put themselves under too much pressure to be profitable every day or every week. And I just think you need to sit back and just look at your progress over the 6 or 12 months, and then you can see how far you've come. And I'm guilty of that myself, just trying to rush the process all the time, trying to be profitable every day or every week, and it's not sustainable. So I think that's my lesson learned for 2024. It's measure yourself over the month rather than put yourself under unnecessary pressure of a daily target.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think it's better to do that and play the long game, because ultimately it all adds up. And I think at the point of when, let's say, a year from now or 2 years from now, you're going to look at all the gains, all the things that have added up. And that's what makes the difference. So, yeah, I couldn't agree more.
Okay, right. So I'm going to call it a day. Gonna get myself ready for Christmas. Last minute shopping. Probably start panicking on tomorrow. Nothing left in the shops, right? And
no, today's the day. Today's the day. Go for it.
My book came, the VWAP book. So
oh, nice.
Yeah, got a nice little bit of reading material for over Christmas. So yeah, I'll post that up to you when I'm done. And just for all our viewers and watchers, thanks very much, and look forward to seeing you in the new year.
Brilliant. Thank you, Andrew. Merry Christmas, and I'm sure I'll speak to you in the next few days. But to all our viewers and listeners, have a good holiday.